National People's Party hakajing lang jangka General Executive Council kalapin rong dokhat bapura yu Dr DRL Nonglait syaka sam jangka NPP bat Pynbna shi sendan yu kum kyrtong ka parti na kabenta ka election MP shiteng samoy. Hakani kesngi la sakhi lang daki hajar ngot kinong tre jangka parti hakani kesngi ba Pynbna ya ka kyrteng u Dr Nonglait. Hakani ka ju hi kesngi la Pynko buram yu Dr Nonglait na National President u Conrad ke sangma u State President u ba Preston u ba Sniaw Bhalang u James ke sangma ba Hamlet Darling u ba Waila Mikishla ka Congress na lor ki wei.
Also, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause. The next dignitary to felicitate will be the State President, National People's Party, Shri Preston Pynbna. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. Sir Nonglait as well. To Sir Nonglait, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause.
But Barbaro tong niyo ay rejing party.
Also, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause. The next dignitary to felicitate will be the State President, National People's Party, Shri Preston Pynbna. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause.
National Committee, as well as of the State Committee, and all members of the National People's Party from different frontal organizations who have come here to be part of this general body meeting. I welcome each and every one of you to this very, very important meeting. Second, I would like to take this opportunity on behalf of the party to welcome Dr. Nonglait to the National People's Party family. Let's give a round of applause. Yeah. I also would like to ask everybody to please stand up where we are so that we can once again welcome Dr. Nonglait to the NPP family. Friends, at this point, proposed by the State Committee or recommended, it will be appropriate that in this general meeting, where all members from all the constituencies in the Khasi Jaintia region have come here today, I would like to give a proposal on behalf of the party to propose the name of Dr. Nonglait to be the candidature for the upcoming MP by-election. Those who are in favor, please raise your right hand. Please raise your hand. Let's give a round of applause. With the approval of the General Committee that has come from different constituencies of Khasi Jaintia region, and with the approval from our State President and the entire committee, I would like to now officially announce Dr. Nonglait as the official candidate of the National People's Party for the upcoming Lok Sabha by-election. Thank you very much.